Hello, I'm David Ryman from Rymans Driving School. I'm going to demonstrate the bay park exercise. You can drive forward into a bay or reverse into a bay. On this occasion I'm going to demonstrate reversing left into a bay. So I'll pull up on the left, put my passenger door mirror above any line, stop, select reverse gear, look around, reverse slowly keeping my clutch low in the bite, and I'm going to put a full lock onto the left, and the car should go into bay 3 from the line I've chosen to start at. I'll be checking my spot mirrors, and if there's a mirror bay, a bay opposite the one I'm going into, I'll use that to check on my accuracy as I do the manoeuvre. I'll also look around to make sure there's no people walking around the car or driving around the car. I'll give you a system to use, but you also need to use judgment. Go slow, keep your clutch low in the bite. So I'm going to revert. I've got my left door mirror in line with one of the lines of the bays. I'm reversing into bay 3 from where I am at the moment. So reverse gear, look around the vehicle, use the back window to go backwards, and then I'm going to start to move. And as I move, I'm going to put pretty much a full lock on. And I'm going to make sure by checking the spot mirrors and also the mirror bay. I'm cutting the line now in my spot mirror, I can see that. Looking in the right spot mirror, it's going in nicely. Looking in the mirror bay, and I can tell how straight I am by looking forward. And when I'm straight, there's a little tip, got a full look onto the left, I go back to the T, do one more whole turn, then I know that the wheels are straight, and that'll work in all cars. Checking the mirror, looking backwards to go backwards. Coming into the bay, keeping the clutch low in the bite to go slow. That's that.